Hello from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swenson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about campaign 11. Look at all those gorgeous rings, and I do have one of them on. Turquoise is really making a big comeback. And in this catalog, we have 6 really cool different colors of pops of color, and they're in all kinds of different pieces of jewelry. And I'm going to try to see if I can kind of quick show you some of them. Here is teal and violet and blue. Oh, and green. And notice I have the green one on. Love this. And notice this fun color up top I have on. It's a teaser. It's great. It's in next time's catalog. But yeah, and yellow, and one of my favorite colors, red. And what's kind of cool is in this catalog, buy 2 pieces of jewelry and those pops, and get the third one half off. So I think that's just wonderful. Color, talking about color. If you watch my Facebook Avon business page, Faye Swenson's Avon store, I showed one of my customers with these gorgeous 8-in-1 eye palette colors, and this is the Nude Muse, and she used 3 of these colors and made the most beautiful smoky eye. They're on sale for $8.99. And some more color things. On the back cover, we always have our wonderful A-box. And this A-box is no different. It has I'll just show you in the back of this. You can see the colors. You get all of that with a $40 purchase for $10. And it has a liquid lip gloss in a tube. And I love those for this time of the year because we are going to start getting nice. Because notice in my background, I'm outside. I love it. I can have my office anywhere because I'm my own boss. Our champagne eyeshadow, which is just a great base coat, and the roll-on Pure Prima perfume. All of that for $10. And let me show you some other of these. See that? Look how gorgeous. That's the purple earrings, and they were in the box, and it's like you couldn't see them in the box, so I had to take them out so you could see them. Those are in there. And then look at this blue set. I just love this blue set, and it has like a bunch of different colors in it. And bug guard, we're going to get bugs because we have definitely had our moisture this year, and so all of our bug guards are buy one get one. And this is the 8-in-1 8-tap towelettes in a bag, and that's in one of them. And the towelettes are, I have to show you this, how big these are. They're big so that you can actually do pretty much the whole family in it. there you can see it all. But yeah, that's in just one of the little bags, and you get 8 of those in there, and they're buy one get one bag, the whole bag. 8 of them. Another really good thing, I guess one of the things with, and talking about bug guard, fundraisers, if you or an organization you needs to do a fundraiser, we have this great one with bug guard on it right now, and you can mix and match these pieces, 2 for $15. And so I would love to do a fundraiser with anybody that's out there, and so would any other representative that, if you're watching, contact her. It's a little chilly. Let's see if I can do this whole thing. It's like in the 50s, but it's nice for us. This is great for South Dakota. Hand creams. I love this hand cream. It's our intensive one. It's a little heavier one, but it really helps get the moisture in. They're $2, all the different hand creams. And, oh no, one of my things must have rolled away. Oh, it did. Darn it. I'll have to show it to you in the thing. And we're going to start showing our feet. So get ready for that. All the footwork stuff is mix and match 2 for $9 this time. And so check those out. And the other thing that I was going to show you also has sunscreen. And this was one of my favorite sunscreens for your body. It's called our DD cream. I use it year round, and it's a broad spectrum one, so it has the UVA, UVB protection, so that you can fight the aging as well as the burning rays. So do check that out. They're on sale for $7.99. Like I said, I use them year round. The other part that I was going to show you, it rolled off, it's on the deck outside, is one that I really recommend. It's our Skin Invincible in a new line. Oh, here it is. It is an SPF 50 with a broad spectrum, and it comes in a day or a night, and they are on sale 2 for $40. Mix and match with a lot of the other new products. Oh, Aspira. A great way to start the Aspira line is with the cleanse. And some people have said, well, I don't want to start this cleansing. It's like, no. This is the most gentle cleanse that you can get. It's one that you have pills in the morning, pills in the night. And in between, during the day, you drink lots of water and eat a really good balanced diet. And it will help cleanse your body. And I really strongly suggest this. I have done it twice. And I think cleansing is good for your body. And so does the doctors. We have the Greater Goods. And one of the products is this. It's a genuine rose quartz necklace. And it's in with our breast cancer stuff. And we have also some purple ones with a genuine amethyst, and that's for the domestic violence fundraiser stuff. And those products are just wonderful. Do help support our causes for that. I really do appreciate you doing that. And we always have flyers. We have a couple of sales flyers. I am showing this because every year I do a fundraiser for homeless kids here in town, and I made a little flyer, and I was going to show it to you, but I left it in my office. I'm starting to take donations so that everybody can be a blessing. So if your budget allows for you to help in this time of the year versus the winter, whatever, I am taking donations now and have a separate fund for that, so that we, when Christmas comes around, all those homeless children get a present. So please pray about that, and please. And we can always back order 2 brochures, so campaigns 9 and 10 are still good. And campaign 11, I am going to be starting taking orders. If you noticed on my e-store and all of Rep's e-stores, our dates of when our e-stores are opening are a little bit different than they used to be, because of all Avon representatives now are on the same mail plan throughout the United States. And so mine usually would be already up by now for campaign 11. It won't get up till next, I think it's next week, Tuesday. But so that's why I'm doing my video a little bit later. So thanks much for joining, and notice my trees are starting to bud out even. Enjoy the day, and thanks for being such a blessing in my life. Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon.